Magluluto po tayo ng pork ribs with radish. Ito po yung ating pork ribs with radish. Pork ribs in Cantonese is kwat and radish is labak. Ito po yung ating mga kailangang ingredients. I-marinate po muna natin ng some salt yung ating kwat. So, kailangan syempre wash and dry. Wash and dry the kwat and marinate with some salt. Para medyo may lasa yung ating kwat or pork ribs, and then lobak or radish. And Chinese celery or tsoy. So, hindi natin kailangan yung leaves, yung dahon, yung stem lang. And then, so take out the skin and cut into corner yung ating lobak. You can cut into smaller size kung gusto nyo para mas madaling maluto. I cut it into corner, big size. After natin makat yung ating lobak, atin namang himayin yung ating tsoy or Chinese celery. Hindi natin kailangan yung dahon. Take out the leaves because hindi natin kailangan yun. And then cut into small pieces. Follow nyo lang yung video. Inalis ko yung medyo matigas side. After natin makat yung ating celery, nag-slice ako ng 2 slice of ginger. Ginger is gorn. Hindi ko naman tama migkas ko. Gorn. Like that. Ayan na po natin mga ingredients. So, mag-start na tayong pagluluto. So, i-fry muna natin yung ginger hanggang mag-amoy ginger na. After natin ma-fry, ilagay na natin yung ating kwat. And then, simple fry until changes in color hanggang mag-iba na yung kulay niya. And then, after natin ma-fry at nag-change na yung color, put some water to cover the pork. A little bit, about 1 cup. And then, cover and cook for 10 minutes. And then, stir. And then, let's put the lobak and tsoy. Stir and cook for 20 minutes. Always check nyo yung ilalim kasi baka masunog. You can put more water if you like. Pero ako kasi yung mas okay kasi yung walang tubig kasi nagtutubig naman yung radish. And then I put 1 teaspoon of salt. And then stir. Haluin. And then I also put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and then stir. Para may kulay ang buhay. Ang gulay. And stir well, and after that, luto na po. After 20 minutes, luto na yung ating pork ribs with radish. Salamat sa panonood. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-like at i-subscribe para marami pang videos. Bye-bye!